Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
all kind of mix up, but you know what? Tell them first, lady.
Today we have Perkins.
Perkins!
Why do we have Perkins, my love?
Because it's what?
Fast Food Friday.
You know what we do already for the Fast Food Fridays. What we got here, girl?
So, what I have is rice. I think it's brown rice. And I have some tilapia with some shrimps and some asparagus. And then we have a chicken broccoli fried rice.
I don't care
from
what
Perkins.
it is. Yes.
What do you have, honey?
Then I got the mashed potato with that gravy. Then we got the salmon teriyaki. It is glistening, look like a star. And then we just have the plain broccoli zimmy.
Yes.
But it look good, it look delicious.
It really does.
First, let me see what I got. Oh, and then I got the Grace on deck. Grace don't see us now, but they will see us later. Alright? Then I got the Calypso. So I'm gonna try. This First Lady favorite. Put some.
I like that one.
Put some on that one. Is hot doing it?
It's hot.
I want that.
One thing about
Smell
that
it.
one.
You know what? I want to smell that. Strong. Smell. Yeah. Strong.
One thing about that one.
It creeps up.
It creeps up.
I don't want to put too much on your thing for lady, because
No, don't put on my side.
Well, you know.
I'm gonna try.
I gotta
some 2x spicy sauce.
I gotta keep it Grace. It's almost done.
Yeah, man. If you buy another one.
You done, man. That's true thing, Buy your next one now.
So this is our first time eating Perkins.
Perkins, yes.
We've driven by it several times.
Yeah. Surprising. We always drive by this place. Oh my gosh. And then guess what? Tell them you out there serve breakfast too.
They serve breakfast. And the kids, they love breakfast.
I'm gonna take my time today. I'm gonna enjoy it, cause
so the only thing I don't like is they should have gave me some sauce on my tilapia, but it's okay.
Oh yeah.
So you guys know we love gravy.
Yep. Not bad. For first time.
So I'll put some 2x spicy sauce on it.
Want to try salmon?
So that I can
The glaze.
have some kind of gravy.
The teriyaki look nice. Finish right in your mouth. Come on, the backwash. I'm gonna spoon like a dog.
That's with juice.
Family, she backwash. I don't know what she do that with her daughter. Her daughter do the same thing. First lady, that tastes good, right?
That's good. Our chicken tastes like it's well seasoned.
Asparagus.
Asparagus.
Asparagus ain't bad like yours. The one that bitter one. I don't put that asparagus up. The one that bitter.
Bitter?
Right?
Where do you get your asparagus from?
That's why I don't. I want the bitter though.
It can't be Publix.
So family, do you have this?
Perkins.
If you do have Perkins, let us know. And so family, First Lady, they gave us a little bit of food. You know that, right? It's all good. It's all good. Today I'm drinking a Minute Maid mango punch. What are you drinking now, First Lady? Dollar juice?
My dollar drink. I do have a story time for you guys today. I've told the story time before, but that was on my other channel.
That's so much channel you have, man. You're famous.
I never have no subscribers. But I want to tell you guys because you've never heard it before.
Tell them. Let me go and eat. You tried chicken already?
Look.
Oh.
The chicken on my plate.
Nice.
My fault.
Yo.
What? I'm telling you, it's hot.
Calypso got something going on. Can you know what's in here? All scotch bonnet pepper cut up,
Yeah. Remember that time My cousin gave us that sauce, that hot sauce that the lady made.
That joint was banging,
That hot sauce was so good. I mean, we ate it with everything, even me. It was that good.
Food look a bit today, yeah, I've taken your side. Food look a bit. Sorry. Food look a bit today first day. I tell you, so the food look a bit, man. You can eat the broccoli, because you like the greens. Eat the broccoli. I love everything else. Family. Food look a bit today. Perkins. They give me double rice. But first I have to just eat what she have, car.
You know what?
First lady, you know me, you don't live like that, but here what? you have to take your look aside today, because the food look a bit, you know.
Oh my gosh. Make sure you tell me to go get some ice cream. That's all I know.
Oh, we gonna get that. That's all? What time it close?
9:30.
Yeah, we gonna be first family. I'm going down fast. I got first anything first they said, I gotta go do it. But this is good, look. Let me pick up my towel and show you. First, you think it'll drop?
Are you a problem that you know?
Put your hand here first.
Well,
put your hand here. That's it? You need your hand here.
Oh.
That look good, right?
It does taste good though.
It does taste good though. The teriyaki sauce tastes good on it. This was a good choice again.
This asparagus is a no-go. And I love asparagus.
I'm hungry still, I'm eating a bit. Family.
For some reason it tastes bitter.
It's bitter.
Let me taste it again.
But I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat it.
I want it done. You know that thing?
They didn't put no seasoning like you put.
No seasoning, yeah. And I don't think they snapped it. You know asparagus, you're supposed to bend it, and wherever, if it breaks, that's where, I don't think they did that. We don't know.
I'm hungry too, I'm not wasting nothing.
So, okay. I'll tell you guys a story time, and don't forget, 6 o'clock.
What? I'm moving on my right.
Stop!
What are you talking about? I'm moving on my right. I ain't touch your food. You know
I'm thinking.
Go back in the camera. I ain't touch your food, girl. Come on.
I'm thinking you're gonna say, "Oh, stop recording" or something.
No. What?
I'm telling you, one of these days.
One of these, you're gonna have my food. Food, nice, man.
I'm pretty much 2 times less sauce.
You want napkin? You got napkin first, lady?
Yes. You see, family, that's the reason why he likes when I tell a story time, because he thinks I'm not paying attention. I pay attention.
You paying attention? Tell me your fabulous story, man. I'm going to eat. Family, food, look a bit today. Can't share.
This is a story about me jumping off of the train tracks.
What?
Yeah, man. And 2 times spicy sauce tastes good on this fish.
I done bungee jumper.
Okay. I was probably like 12, 13 years old. And my mom at the time, she worked in Manhattan. So where I lived was Jerome Avenue around that time.
I didn't hear this story first, lady. Did I? I chat my ears today. I don't remember. Let me hear. You don't want this?
Yo, you acting up today, no man.
No fun. That one a bitter, man. Yeah, that one is different. I don't want that one here. That one is bitter.
So I went ahead and I said, I'm gonna surprise my mom. I'm gonna buy her some flowers, and I'm gonna go to the train.
I don't taste the shrimp.
No. I'm gonna go to the train, and I'm gonna wait for her. So when the train pulls out, I'm gonna hand her the flowers, and mommy, I came to walk you home.
Yeah.
My mom is very impatient, so I already know what cart she's gonna be at. And when I say what cart, is a train. You know, they have different carts. So she's always at the first one, because as soon as the door opens, it's right to the steps. She run down the steps and she go home. So I'm walking now, and it was a number 4 train in the Bronx, okay, on Jerome Avenue. And, you know, BX.
BX all day, son.
And I went to the conductor. Is the conductor? No, I'm not a conductor. I went to the guy who sells the tokens. Do they still do that? Sell tokens?
I don't know.
I know they have Metro Pass, but do they still have a person who sells tokens?
I don't know. Twin Green. They still take token? Let us know, boss.
So I asked him, I said, hey, I don't want to go on the train. My mom is going to be coming off the train a little bit. I just want to go up there so I can surprise her. And he was like, okay. So he let me through.
Yeah.
And I get upstairs and I'm waiting. And I'm waiting. And then one train comes by and drives and goes by me. So I'm like, okay, maybe that one is Richard.
The food look a bit to them, man.
Ah!
Food look a bit to them, man. I like fast food, I to look a bit. I don't like fast food, family. It's too small. They give a small portion.
So
Tell your story for a second.
look at that. Remember, freaking broccoli drop. It's so annoying. Don't come over here.
We can't be saying they can't
No, I don't want broccoli. I want my food.
Alright, go on, my food.
So,
Go on, my food.
a next train go by. I said, but wait. Why all these trains keep on going by?
No, mommy.
No, mommy. They're not stopping. So, I go downstairs to ask the conductor what's going on with the train. Okay. In New York, you have some trains that are up high.
Yeah.
And then when you get into Manhattan, it goes down under the, in the tunnel. The 4 train was up high. The 4 train was up high. Family, I'm so stressed out because I keep on thinking Richie gonna eat my freaking
Me nah
food.
eat your food, my girl. Just
Don't look over here, man.
I watch you send them and drop out their mouth.
So I go down the steps. So in New York, when you go up the steps, and it's the first level, and that's where the guy who sells the tokens or the Metro Pass, whatever. And then you go up another flight of steps to go on the platform to wait for the train. Excuse me, family. So I was on the platform. So I walked down the steps, and when I got to the last steps, I kid you not, family, I must have saw about 50 rats. And I know you guys are saying, Shanice, you're over-exaggerating. I swear to you, it was about 50 rats. It was so much rats on the floor, family. I couldn't even see the floor. They was just running.
Where the hell was that?
On the 4 train in Jerome Avenue.
Wow.
The Shooter Parkway. So.
She's terrified of rats. And frogs. Likewise.
Family, I turned around, started screaming, ran up the steps, looked like I went like this, trying to figure out where to go. What possessed me to go run in the train tracks? Because in New York, when you walk on the platform, there's a steps to go down onto the train tracks. And the workers use that to maintain the tracks. I ran down the steps, and I got like maybe 30 feet. I mean, I ran, and I stopped, and I said to myself, what the
you're not supposed to be in the track.
No, I'm not supposed to be on the track. I'm not supposed to be on the track. But I said to myself, what the hell am I doing here? I mean, that's how freaked out I was. So it had like a banister.
Yeah.
Like, it's a banister. So I stopped and I grabbed onto the banister and I'm there shaking like this. And I'm like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. That's how afraid of rats I am. So I'm sitting there now, crying, bawling.
And you love balls too, you know? Family, she love cry.
All I see is these 2 guys walking from on the bottom, going up the hill. They hear me crying, and they turn, they look, and they was like, oh my gosh, don't jump. So I'm holding onto the banister like this, crying. And when they said,
you gonna jump off?
When they said, don't jump, family, you know what I did? I went like this.
Yeah.
Who are they talking to? Somebody else on this track? Because I'm not jumping. I'm just scared of the rats. So, because I'm up high, they can't hear me. So, they're just like, don't jump. So, next thing I know, I see them running under.
Police ain't come?
No.
What the hell?
My youth. So, I see them running under. And about 5 minutes, they come on the track. And they're like, come. Whatever you're going through, it'll be okay. It's fine. I'm like 12, 13.
What the hell?
But back then, you know, in your neighborhood, you know everybody. You walk around. It's not like, you know what I mean? You're not afraid. So they're like, don't do it. It's not worth it. And I said, I'm not jumping. So they're like,
so what you doing?
So what you doing on the train track? I said, I couldn't even talk anymore. They was like, come. So So I'm walking, I'm holding onto the banister, and I finally get up. And they're like, "Are you alright?" I said, "I'm fine." The guy said, "Why were you trying to jump?"
But it's a different I mean, not the frog, the rat. The rat and gone.
I said, "Sir, I was not trying to jump." I said, I went downstairs to go leave, and I saw rats, and I'm afraid of rats, and I didn't know what to do. Him and his friend looked at each other like, "This girl is crazy." So he said, "Well, come on. I'll walk you downstairs." I said, "I cannot walk down there. There's rats down there." I said, I can't do it. I just can't do it, sir." He said, "Okay, jump on my back." I didn't know this guy from a nail in a hole in the wall. I jumped on his damn back though, and he took me all the way down the steps. And he was
why
like,
you make a girl jump on the man back? I mean, I know you them time there. You want a woman jump on my back?
"Who could jump on your back?"
All right. Then.
Which woman?
You see that? You see that?
Tell me the story right now.
How long ago that happen?
What? I was 12. Tell me the story right
I
now.
don't want to go pay my visit.
Watch yourself.
Pay my visit.
So he brought me down the steps, and he was like, "Okay,
Like an escalator.
He brought me down the steps, and he was like, "Have a good night." And God was able to help you. Family, I was freaking scared. I probably would have been standing there to this day.
Where? So the man said, "Don't jump."
Man said, "Don't jump."
You're lucky the police don't lock you up.
That means I said, family, you know what happened? What happened was they were doing maintenance on that stop. So the fool guy who was selling the tokens, he should have said to me, "Ma'am, there's no train stopping at this stop tonight." But he let me go up there knowing. I should have boxed him and kicked him and thump him up.
I'll pay you my visit. So wait there. So Sam, the people thought you were going to jump on a train track? That's crazy. And if all the New Yorkers could vouch for that, because yo, the train track is high.
So it was going to the last stop, which was not too far from our house, so my mom would have to walk. Family, when I got home, my mother in the couch eating her curry chicken and white rice. I said,
Mommy chilling.
"Didn't you say where's Shanice?" She said, "Oh, I thought you were at your friend's house."
Mommy chilling. No, good thing you never jump in a car. I know you.
Oh.
Yo, that salmon could have been seasoned more.
Yeah.
They just put the teriyaki sauce over it.
Put teriyaki sauce on it. Just like the tilapia.
Yeah, that's not our type of seasoning.
But I forget. Why am I blowing this? And it's not that hot anymore.
Perkins is a go.
Yeah, it's good.
If you have it, go try it.
But don't get the tilapia.
Don't get tilapia.
Don't get the salmon.
Salmon is okay with the teriyaki sauce on it, but it could have been more seasoned. But you know, it was good. They give you a food, even though the food was short today. I had to put my side away from First Lady. Cause look, see, guys, family. Look, take a look. Make sure you look. Look at First Lady's side. First Lady done her food and clean it out. Give her a clap.
No.
Good job.
No. I finished
Teamwork.
it, and I'm still hungry because Richie ate my food.
Teamwork. Don't say that. I might buy you ice cream.
Okay.
Family.
That's fine.
We shared with y'all.
Too spicy. Hot.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.